Hi and welcome to Inspirational STEM. Let's go ahead and take a look at some exponential and logarithmic problems from the Precalc OpenStax book. So the question is, find the exact solution for e to the power 2x minus e to the power x minus 1, 110. So recognize when you see something like this, see if it's a quadratic equation. Indeed, it is a quadratic equation. If we write e to the power of x as a, then we can rewrite this as a squared minus a minus 110 equals 0. So now I'm just going to try to factor that. So I need two numbers that multiply to a negative 110 and add up uh, to negative 1. So that's easy. So it's going to be negative 11 and 10. So I'm just going to factor, right, negative 11 and positive 10, and then just use the zero product rule to set a minus 11 equals 0, a plus 10 equals 0. So a is either 11 or a is equals to negative 10. So now let's go ahead and substitute back what we just substituted, e to the power x equals a. So now we have e to the power x equals 11 or e to the power x equals negative 10. So now we know we need to take ln on both sides for both of these. So let's go ahead and do the ln e to the power x equals ln 11, ln e to the power x equals ln negative 10. So we know ln negative 10 does not exist. So that is not possible as a solution. So the other one is that let's go and take the x and bring it to the front using the principles of logarithms, and then x ln e is 1, so x becomes ln 11, and that is our final answer. Okay, so ln 11, that's the answer for that one. Now let's go ahead and see what the next problem is. We want to solve this using the properties of logarithm. 9 plus 6 ln a plus 3 equals 33. So let's go ahead and simplify it, subtract 9 from both sides. So we have 6 ln a plus 3 in parentheses equals 33 minus 9, 24. Now divide both sides by 6, so just want the ln by itself. ln a plus 3 equals 4. Now what we're going to do, we're going to rewrite this as an exponent, right? So ln is natural log, and so remember that ln, this can be rewritten by the principles of logarithms. So when you have something like log base e, then let me give you an example here of how to rewrite that. So we are going to take e and then to the power of 4 equals a plus 3. And just an example to show you why that is the case. Remember, if you have log 100 to the base 10 equals 2, so what we are really saying is 10 squared in exponential form equals 100. So if you do the same thing for this one, it's e to the power of 4 equals a plus 3. Okay, so now I want to go ahead and isolate the a because that's what we're trying to find out. So a equals e to the power 4 minus 3. That is our final answer. Okay, perfect. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at this problem here. Find an exact solution. ln 5 plus ln 5 squared minus 5 equals ln 56. So I'm just going to use the properties of logarithms now. So I'm going to go, because it's the same ln, I'm going to go ahead and multiply those two. 5 times 5x squared minus 5 in parentheses equals ln of 56. Now I can go ahead and distribute it now. 5 times 5 squared 25x squared minus 25 equals ln of 56. So I'm just going to rewrite this. Remember, if you have the ln on both sides or a log on both sides and there is a parentheses, you can set them equal to each other, okay, by the properties of logarithms. So we remove the ln's, then 25x squared minus 25 equals 56. So just go ahead and bring the negative 25 to the other side, so it becomes plus 25, so 81. So divide both sides by 25, you have x squared equals 81 divided by 25. Now take the square root on both sides, so x then becomes plus minus square root of 81 is 9 and divided by 5. So that is our final answer. X is plus 9 by 5 or minus 9 by 5. All right, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you next time.